y'all. So guess who has a trip tomorrow and has not packed anything yet? Me, y'all. So let's try to see if I can get my life together so that I can be packed and completely ready to go, y'all. I have my accessories, I have my toiletries, my bags, my heels, everything I need. So y'all, let's get her packed. Oh y'all, this has been a lot. I don't know what, and usually I pack my stuff beforehand, but y'all, this time hers last minute. No shade, no shade. And I don't want to show y'all too much of the pieces. So this is really gonna be a quick little video because I don't want to do too much on the video of showing like the outfits and stuff. But yes, yo, I got my makeup and stuff on this side. I got the clothes where the side where it zips shut. I gotta get a better makeup bag because it's like my stuff is always busting out of here and falling out and barely can close. Y'all, if y'all see the room look a mess, I tore up this room looking for everything that I needed. Cause yeah, it's been a lot. Y'all, I have my makeup, I have my toothpaste, my light, my Listerine. Y'all, this is the leftover from the trip, so this is like already used. My hand sanitizer. I low key. Oh, I have another one downstairs, so I'm gonna have one for my suitcase and one for my bag, y'all. My mom gave me these perfumes just in time, so I have me a bunch of like little mini samplers. So cute, y'all, and they smell so good. No shade, y'all. I'm too excited because I always wanted to try these. They smell really good. So I got my deodorants. Y'all, I got me some jewelry. I don't know where my bangles at, so that's why I say, y'all, I really have to clean up this room. I have my nail stuff, clothes. I have a bunch of stuff just everywhere in here. That's what was taking me so long, trying to get everything together. Y'all, I have like a little flash drive where I can put pictures and stuff on here because my phone is, y'all, I want to do something about this storage. I'm telling you. So y'all, this is my little toiletries and stuff smell good. I'm mad because I had, that's what I'm saying, like y'all, I'm all over because I had a bag that was for, but I think I'm gonna open up this purse and just put my toiletry stuff in here until I get where I'm going. So, perfume. I low-key probably just gonna put that in there too. And then I have my camera back here, but I'm about to take it downstairs and put it on the charge before I get going. And y'all, when I tell you I don't got my life together right now, I'm still debating on because I know I'm not gonna do no full face of makeup right now just to go on a plane. I'm still kind of debating on if I want to put on me some lashes or just some mascara for now, and then do everything when I get there. But you know, when you get to a trip, you already want to just be able to go, drop your bags off and go. So I think I'm not gonna pack my makeup and my lashes. But I am gonna put my lashes and probably like fix up my eyebrows just a little bit before I get on the plane. Well, actually before I leave the airport, because y'all, after I pack my bags, y'all, I'm gonna go shower, probably take me a little kitty nap, and then by then it'll be time, because no shade, it's already 12, and I have to start leaving my house by at least 3 so I can get to the airport at least an hour or 2 hours before. This can just go in here. So I put basically all my little loose items in here. So we got our clothes. I'm gonna put her in here. My little bags. The clutch. And y'all, all my stuff was basically kind of folded. Let me show y'all if y'all can see. All my stuff was basically folded right here on the ground and stuff. So I basically had everything laid out already. I just had to like put it in the suitcase and make sure everything was really here like it was supposed to be. like I've been running around all day trying to get stuff right. Be cooking for my husband, make sure he have all his food and stuff. Cause y'all, and plus I had to clean my kitchen and stuff too, because y'all, I don't know what it is, but every time he cook, baby, my kitchen be so dirty and oily. Like, oh my god. He be in there doing demos with the cooking and then don't want to wash e-dish. Yeah, e-dish. Yeah, it probably look like the video is speed up, but I'm really just trying to move fast because y'all, it is already a little late. Oh, what is has stuck to my dress? Yo, that's why I said I gotta get this room together. And I can't forget my family. They stuff trying to get drift off and get lost. Some of this stuff is just like little shirts that don't even really need to be folded for real. Y'all, and I packed me some night clothes because usually I forget night clothes and I'm always up under the cover. Just naked because, yeah, we forget the night clothes. No shade. Well, let me make sure. So, y'all, this is about it, and my bag is packed. And what's crazy is only a 4-day trip, but I love to make sure that I have extra. So that, you know, just in case accident change, or not accident change. Well, yeah, I guess like if something happened to an accident, you spill something before you get to where you're going. You have other stuff to like change into, but I always do that because I love options, and I'm really trying to get on my Instagram baddie stuff. Like, I love taking pictures, I love dressing up. And for the people that have been here for the longest, the people that know me know when I first started doing my YouTube videos, I did start like doing fashion hauls, like lingerie, swimsuits, just clothes hauls. So I'm not gonna lie, I still want I want to get back into the fashion world. No shade. Cause that's where I have fun, just dressing up. And I went to school for esthetician, so I still want to get into the makeup side of things. But they taught us makeup while I was in school, but it's like I think I might wear this one to the airport, so I'm gonna keep this out. And y'all, I still gotta find an airport fit. But for the airport, I'm not really too worried about what I'm gonna wear, because I know I want something comfortable but cute, you know. So I got some sandals, slides. This other shoe downstairs, so we gonna put that. Actually, I might lay these on the top, but put the bottom of the shoe upward. Now I'm trying to get much in here as possible, because it's just the last nitty gritty. But y'all, that's the only thing. Like when you carrying, trying to do heels and all these different shoe switches, that be in the way. Like these heels is what's kind of like trying to take up majority of the rest of my room in the inside of my bag. Ooh, y'all, I hope this fit, because I still gotta make sure my my makeup bag can fit in this. But I have a carry-on in the personal bag, but I wasn't trying to bring like too many bags. Like I really just want to be able to push this, and I didn't even want to bring no purse. I just really want to have my phone and then my pocket, my charger closed. That was it. But we'll see how this clothing. If not, I have a black duffel bag. Hold on, let me show y'all. Y'all, literally every time I travel, and especially if I'm not staying long, this is literally what I use. I literally use this suitcase. Actually, no, this is a brand new suitcase that I had just got not too long ago. It's another carry-on that I have for years. And anytime I'm going somewhere where we're not staying long, because you know American Airlines, shout out to American Airlines, they give you a free carry-on in a personal item. So shoot, I be trying not to pay for no extra bags, no shade. Because especially if you're going on vacation, not trying to be funny or like nothing like that, But anytime I'm going on vacation, I barely wear clothes anyways. I'm always in a swimsuit, two-piece or stuff. So that don't require nothing, no real anything. So literally, I could fit a bunch of swimsuits. So let me see, because y'all, I can go on and on and on when I talk sometimes. So let me try to, okay. And then when I come back, I could probably put, but then too, it's like, oh, this ain't gonna make sense to get a carry-on bag just to have the makeup and stuff in there. Or y'all, I might just have to wear a purse, a regular purse, so I can at least have my makeup bag in there. Ooh. There we go. There she go. Yo, actually, we might be good. Okay, there she go. Scoot up in there, girl. Turn around. Yo, the airport is calling my name. The airport is calling my name. Hey. Alright, you guys, this was a pack with me video. Y'all, something short, sweet, and cute. Y'all, my trip is only 4 days and I'll be back. But yeah, this is everything I have in my suitcase for my trip. See you guys there, and you guys already know, until next time, bye!